Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn what is ORD and CHR function in Python. ORD and CHR functions of Python are built-in functions that are used to convert a character to an integer and vice versa. Before diving into the tutorial, we will understand Unicode, which we will use later in our discussion. Unicode is an internationally recognized character encoding system that assigns each character a unique number, which helps the programmer to create a string with different characters of different languages, including special characters and emojis. I'm going to show you how we can understand Unicode's character. I have opened browser and I have a wiki link. These links talk about what are list of Unicode characters, right? As we talked about, there are Unicode values how characters are represented in computer system. We have ASCII punctuation and symbol. If we say 1, then which means its Unicode would be U plus 0031. Okay. Now let's try to use these Unicodes in Python and how we can get character with Unicode easily. So let me take this Unicode. I have PyCharm editor opened on my machine where I am writing Python code. This is the Unicode which I have just copied. I've just commented it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use one print function. Inside the function, instead of u, I'll be using a backslash u for Unicode. Instead of plus, we will putting 000, right? So I have put for 0 along with I will take this code. Okay, alright? If you're in the program, you will see a character is printed. If you want to print other characters as well, you can copy the code and print it. If you go back and say 61, so it will print a small a. This is how we can print characters from Unicode. Let's take one more example of emojis. We have lots of emojis, right? If I search emoji, you will see a section for emojis and their Unicode. If I click on it, you will get so many emojis that can be used in your Python code. Okay, I have this stopwatch emoji that I want to print in my Python code. What I will do, I will just copy the code, put it in the same way as we used previous code. Okay, and instead of x, we have to put the column number against it, right? So it is 1, so I'll be saying that is 1. We're in the program, so you will get this stopwatch emoji. Now without further delay, let's move to learn about ORD and CHR function. So what is the ORD function in Python? ORD function in Python is used to convert a single Unicode character into its integer representation. It takes a single string character as an input and returns an integer as an output. Let's have a look at some example to get a better understanding, okay? So we have ORD function which will take a character, right? You see, I'm going to say that is uppercase char, alright? If I print uppercase char and run the program, so it will show you the value is 65 because this is the Unicode for this character. Let me go back to Unicode list. Okay, you see, this is Latin capital letter A and value is 65. In the same way, if you want to print small a, then its value would be 97. Okay, let me take one more line. Lowercase a, we will print it and the program again, so its value would be 97. Let's check any special character and any number, right? Take dollar, we are saying that is number. We'll print it. Run the program. We got their Unicode value 36 and 55. If you check what is the value for dollar, that would be 36, right? These are the special characters. This is dollar, that is 36. Okay? There may be a situation where you need to print the Unicode value for every character in a string. Okay? So for that, we are going to take input from user, input, enter value, and then we are going to use for, or we can take range starting from 0 to length, it is str, and we will print ord, this function we will use, and str, and we'll say I. Very simple. It will take character from the string one by one and then pass it to ord. Run the program. It will ask user to input. Let me say it is Python, and you will get all the Unicode characters from these characters, right? 112, it would be P, right? It is P. Okay. What if we pass more than one characters in the ord function, right? Let me remove it and just say print ord. I say AB. Okay, what happens if you run the program? So it will show you the error, right? Length is excluded. We cannot provide more than one character in this function. So this is a limitation. Now let's talk about what is chr function in Python. As we have discussed above, the ord function takes a character and returns the corresponding Unicode. And the character function does exactly the opposite to the ord function. It takes Unicode, a number between 0 to, that is 1114111. If I print chr and I say tree, so it will return something. Pass on 97, so it will return a small a, right? Now let's take some example to get better understanding of how to use char function in Python. This is a very simple example. Suppose you have a list of numbers, right? Unicode numbers. I'm taking any number, right? 98 or maybe 97. I'll take. Okay. What we are going to do, we are going to get their characters by these Unicodes. Okay. Let me take 4 I in num, and we will print and say chr and I, because chr will take any integer value and it will return a character representation, right? If you're in the program, so you will see, so we have b, b, and a. Okay, from this example we get how to find character against the given Unicode, right? But what if we give the value to char function not lying in this range? Okay, let's try it. Let's remove the code. Instead of 97, I'm passing -1. Let's run the program. So it will give you the error because the value which you have provided, it is not in this range. As soon as I put 1, so it will print you one character representations, right? If I put 66, so it will return you. Okay, but I put which is not in this range, so it will still give you the error. Okay, if I take exact range, that is the last character in this list, so it will return something. Let's check one more case, non-integer arguments. I'm not passing any integer, I'm passing any character, right? If you run, it will not print anything. Okay, right? So this is a restriction for this method. We can only provide integer as an input and we can get a string as an output, right? I hope this video cleared your a bit understanding on Unicode, how they work and how ord and chr function work in Python.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.